let's discover together how to answer to greetings in French. So the first one, I am very well, thank you. Je vais très bien, merci. Je vais très bien, merci. Je vais très bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. So you can feel the difference between the first one and the second one. The first one was extremely positive. I am very well. So in that case, you just reduce a little bit. Numéro 3. I am very well, thank you. Ça va très bien, merci. Ça va très bien, merci. Ça va très bien, merci. So you can see that in that case, we're not going for je, but we'll use the ça, which is totally possible. It's a bit less formal, so a bit more informal. And because you use the ça, remember, it will be the third person of the singular, so the verb is va, so conjugated in the third person of the singular. Ça va très bien, merci. So it will be exactly the same thing after. We'll reduce slightly. I'm fine, thank you. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. So the other option now, I'm not feeling well. Je ne vais pas très bien. Je ne vais pas très bien. Je ne vais pas très bien. Be careful with this thing because let's say that French people, they don't really want to go into these discussions. When you start to say je ne vais pas très bien, well, in that case, it means that we'll have to talk about that. In some cases, it depends. With your friends, I mean, it's totally okay. Family, it's okay. With your colleagues, well, it's up to you to see exactly if you want to go there into the personal details or not. It's not going so well. Ça ne va pas très bien. Ça ne va pas très bien. Ça ne va pas très bien. So same thing here. I mean, you clearly say that, I mean, you're not doing so fine, but then you're using this ça, okay, which is somehow a bit more informal. Voilà.